In front of me is Motorola Moto G87, and today I would like to show you how you can change default apps. Begin by opening Settings and tapping on Apps right away. Now select the default apps under General, and when you're ready, click on any section you wanna manage, in my case browser app. Now all you need to do, pick any of those apps to replace the current one and tap on the back button. Your changes will be automatically applied. You can do that to all the other sections the same way, except for Digital Assistant app. Over here you can tap on the default Digital Assistant to pick another one and confirm your choice in the pop-up. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, leave a like, comment and subscribe. Bye!